Hello, Biafrans. Welcome to Magnetic Dike TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone from wherever you are watching us from. You are welcome to Magnetic Dike TV. Today being 21st of August 2025, we, the team of Magnetic Dike TV, is bringing this news to you. Ebekudike, who happens to be one of the DOS members, and I don't know if he's still in DOX or not, but this time around he is working with the government. And Ebekudike has sworn to make sure that he brings Gentle Yahoo down and all the commanders of the Biafra Liberation Army. Ebekudike released a voice note telling people that they should ignore Gentle Yahoo. That Gentle Yahoo was never in any way poisoned by anybody. In fact, he explained that before Gentle Yahoo will even eat anything from anybody, that person must first take that food or any drink, and the person will stay up to an hour or 30 minutes before Gentle Yahoo will agree to eat that thing from that person. That Gentle Yahoo is very smart, that they know everything about Gentle Yahoo, that they have already surrendered Gentle Yahoo, that Gentle Yahoo is not going to escape this fight, that they must make sure that they buy Gentle Yahoo or bring him alive.
Ndị be anyị biko ekenekwe m ụnụ, asị m ka echi nyezere ụmụnne m ndị Igbo ndị ihe ọma na-adị mma. Ọmụnwa nwanne m nwoke Ebekudike, biko onye nweta meseji Gentle and eje makeup ya disregard ya. Their message ya disregard ya. Omeheme. Ihe nji ogwu na omeheme, we know them. Enweghị nyere ya poison. Gentle is very, very wise. He's a sharp guy. They know what they are doing. Because tension adugo n'ebe ha nọ, and they hang up been from Okigwe or Enugu or anywhere ebe Gentle no Okigwe. Let me make it clear to you. Also Okigwe has see here where that and this or Cindy's or that, because everywhere was chain. He know all man HN go the entire that area. There is no movement. So vida voice note to Hana Eme, my vida Hana Eme, with tension Jiana that now we men is after them. And we are serious in this mission. And we poison, and then we poison any of them, all of them. My Gentle, my B44, Mando to her, nobody poisoned them. And when meeting Hajel, B44 no so mwaka. B44 no mwaka as I speak to you. Gentle no Okigwe. Nobody give them poison. Remember, mgbe ha kidnap or go the man do isi John. Oh na. Ndo tugu buputa ha. Gentle awuho onye ga-enye poison. Let me make it clear to you. Ihe owu na ha siri na camp ha before Gentle ha erie, that person siri nya ha ga-atọ on ya very, very well. The person erie ni ha, and only chanya ha ga na ebe ahụ for 1 hour 30 minutes before Gentle ha test ni ha esiri. Osko ya wuri Igbo I get test ya no with 1 hour 30 minutes. Enwe ihe o mere ha nwa bịa bido libeze ni ha. Osko ya jụọ oyi. That is how they test what they eat, and they cook what they eat, and they eat it there. So disregard and this propaganda or this voice note or whatever on hand they send their clause. We know what they are doing. Has a escape, and they can never escape it. Gentle Yahoo and his criminal gang can never escape unless Mahelelizri, Pa Alexander Cole and his driver. Ndiri ha kidnap. Balisto Gojafa and his brothers US Batahana for $70,000. Chido Keke Hawa pro 18.5 million account, yeah. Christo Keke Hawa pro 7 million account, yeah. Ndandi ha kidnapped. Imobi Onya Bobo Okigwe na nwa nwoke ha buru pu afu hozie. Christo Keke and others ha kidnap. Ndi ni ha kidnap ha ga provide ya. Then with it, all now bad. So disregard all this nonsense information or nonsense brokers haneme or nonsense propaganda hane bugari. And when he Gentle Yahoo and the Jamaica, we'll get them. All of them, they are okay. Hang on, who go that now? Only one apatago who is you against their criminality, against their killing of our people. Only one everybody apatago now because you and people apatago now. Those they fear by the side speak out about their criminality. and how am I going to go against their criminality? So here na told how you see me escape. Just to let me make it clear to you, it can happen from Okigwe. If Okigwe are on this zone, it can happen from that area. Everywhere is changed. We must get you. And when never ejel or any ejel, and when you can't leave that area, and then money can happen because they be a man again. If another man's village, or got easy to apprehend you. That was why you question. Now you can't follow the ability. Follow now on this dog. Follow na Okigwe. But one neck I'm going to with you more Ebekudike na Wagia. Egada. Okago money release in the kidnap. One didn't kidnap. Men a voice note one in an no one kidnap on the Quebehano. And we be those in the it will. You could a Quebido. You can't kill my people and put a name around. You an idiot.
Because these guys are so bent in bringing Gentle Yahoo down. And we have asked this question before. Why are the DOX, or let me say, why are the also, or in fact, emo guys, why are they so bent, emo politicians, why are they so bent in bringing down Gentle Yahoo? And the way they are looking for Gentle Yahoo is not even the way they are looking for Butuzo. They once said that Butuzo is very easy to get than Gentle Yahoo. What is going on? Something is fishy. They should explain to us. Like, we need to know, why are all their energy concentrated on Gentle Yahoo? Why are they like, we must bring Gentle Yahoo down? Why? The government of Imo State, the politicians of Imo State, why are you so much against Gentle Yahoo? This is a question that demands an answer. Please make an answer also. Biafrans need to know. Biafrans really want to know, why are you guys so much interested in bringing Gentle Yahoo down more than any other commanders of Biafran Liberation Army? Yes, so make an tell also. We really want to know. So all these people are bringing up or coming up with voice notes claiming that Gentle Yahoo is the bad guy, that Gentle Yahoo is into KP, that Gentle Yahoo is doing all sorts of atrocities in the land in the name of protecting Biafra or in the name of struggling for Biafra. Well, what we keep saying is, only time will tell. In a little while, we believe and we know so much that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is going to be released. And once that is done, we will surely know who is genuinely working for Biafra and who is fighting against Biafra.
My dear brother, good morning. Ebekudike, Academy. My name is Eze Munachimso Donatus, and I'm the only child of late Don Eze Inomulolo Okigwe. Then I'm a victim of Gentle Yahoo. Gentle killed my dad on 21st November 2022. Obabutaria na Abia, no more bara, see I put outside, and the rest of it all. Tiwa here, Kubwe na Wambara before Iburia, Gawa Ako. They cut off his head, cut waiting, do pass by pass business and the sacrifice and this rest of it all. Secondly, then to kill them, the youth president of Umukele in Omulolo by name Onyamelu. That the same Umukele, non Omulolo. Then to kill them husband and wife. I know the son's name, which is Ebuka, and the guy resides at Onitsha. I have the guy's number. If people want to verify, Nehai Neku Bukwase. Na village, no propaganda kai Neku. Then to also kill them Fintan Ubaja. A well-known man, what too. In my community, Obudia, that should be December 11 or so, 2022. The same Gentle killed Echebiri. He's from Umuduru in Amosu. The late Fintan too, Gentle Ruburu, is from Umojika. My dad is well known. do neze owo no kigo aska no ma here then mo abu fu mkpuru nwa ọmụta ewo ho nwanne nwan ewo ko mo nwanne nwoke ọzọ my people those days I believe will not Biafra ka na-azọ back in the days born and commit those atrocities and those evils and the rest. So but now anya my village people emepego because now I have to go the way back onye Muhammadi Abu Achiraiwa. I'm not looking for Gentle. I'm not fighting to kill Gentle. At least by onye gburu mpia 2022 dey silent to 2025. Ọ bụ obere ihe ka ọ bụ. Ofu mkpụrụ nwa ka m so mụ ihe na nụrụ m ọgụ. Out of 100, ma ọ bụ na ihe percentage bụ my father. At least 95 and one. I remember vividly when I went to the village, I saw the likes of late Morgan. So many Uche King called them, Lala them, Nkana Bobansa. All of them, I met them. I pleaded because Habu Yemo was my dad. I met an poor Gentle on our phone. That time he was commander. If I knew I'm not a Gentle, they cover the hustle. Hapo or Obo do not hear well. Number one to the Kuroba, my boy got no anything. No bono here was Gentle about road and my bomb, my JVC. Those were my baby. Man, about my yeah, a shift to that phase. Gentle have killed only an online Omololo, but indigene, and Damoso. Gentle Ebu Bebu, within that space of that 2021, 2022, 2023, Gentle will go like not less than 100, but indigene alone. Among Maki Hubel, among Makaku, among Makabobo, among Makomowa, among Makandio Jihao, among Makabo Mololo, among Makobaho. I'm those ones, but people didn't care more. A state a mention with their names and everything. Then my people they are scared till the time Eburu this guy Double G. One guy has a Double G. Onye Moscow, yes. Eburu be here there. Do you na so that should be 2023. Banka the whole community was in a problem. I do everybody start vacating. Double G, Eburia, both the mother, both the sister, both in best side, none of the family quite too. Can they make this this young boy, marry like this? But now 1 year okay, no Nigerian soldier called Boronu. So that was enough reason for Gentle to put that family that way. Abelamus, but just comprises of just only 5 villages. Umukele, Umuduru, Amasa Umukele, Umujika, Umopara, Umulewe, Umuebe, and Umuduru. Gentle they were not less than 20 from there. So I will just compile the names for you, Ebekudike. I'm not compiling the name, no on amount or revenge or anything, not just for people to know the atrocities, the calamity and the evil this young boy has been doing all this while. The man that run online, they promote here. Simon man run online, they promote here. And I pump prayer money. Oni ebu ndi igbo ibe ya whenever he open omer. Apotasi na agbarafa. Then to kill self, killed one of my sister kwatu. One elderly woman. Only more better. I say now Barafa. That is the worst thing that will ever happen to a man. No way hobo name, I say now Barafa. Only America mono here. Yeah, he shake here at where I say, no America. That is the end of that person. Ndebu go Nebafa. I do go too much. I'm not looking for him. How much money now? But you nan romo go up to now. Obukan have also taken to Nananti herself. Everything was around because only about Onyoku, Bamoti, Abu, the father, always also for Romo. As the only child, always also for Romo. I work him now, Joe, and I come and yawa. Anthony Negao, I can die tomorrow, he can die next year, he can die next 20 years. I don't wish him death even up till now. I have everything in God's hand. Funding online, name Woto, Promas, and the rest of it all. Nde Bonny State, Woto, Poto, Nde Nugu State, Ndabia State, all of them they peaceful. Because I can remember that back in the days, Ndi Fulani no Ipora. ịkpọrọ ha nọ m ga-agwa gị na ha ewede anything no confrontation or anything na na-asị no a na-eme anything ozugbo ozugbo ha ese ogodeni small something anyị na ha na-esetụrụ ya amicably ha yes asị na their cow cross gaa ebe na hot ma ọ gị anywhere grazie you settle it amicably or they escalate or they anything till the time then to buru ihe na oburu bute nako for me bute nako bute ebe ụmụlọlọ. That was when I started hearing kidnapping no na village more mmadụ agbara ọsọ kpọkpụte n'ihu na somewhere. I keep on asking those people question na-ajụ ha ajụ biko kedu asụ ndị a na-asụ asị na ha na-asụ Hausa ha da asụ Igbo asị m my mind did not go asị onye ọka igwe ọbụla ọsọ ya bụrụ if village and Gentle si bụ akụ 80% of them na-asụ Hausa go and verify. Abụ m onye ụmụlọlọ ada m ekwu ya na voice note no anything no na outside na-ekwu mụ na gbago na onye son of the soil bi na-ekwu ya afọ mba eze mụ na team so ada m emezo onye gburu mpi agbu onye ọkụ gba moto na-abụ ọgbara ọkụ ewezi ọ na-ezo n'ụwa ana nwa atụrụ ụjọ nkwatu onye atụrụ mana kama atụkwa Gentle ana kama atụkwa anybody. Let call a spade a spade. Ndị amị bịa back in the days 2021 self ndị amị na-abịa 2022 ndị amị na-abịa ụmụaka na-agba ọsọ na-azụ ugbo wete ndị mma breaking for 7 ha na-agba ọsọ wete ndị mma na-epush ndị mma n'ụzọ then ha gbatu ọsọ ndị online abịa online mee propaganda ha kwuo na ha tụrụ bọmbụ egburu ndị zoo emere ha nke ebe ha nka. All those things are fucking lie from the pulpit. Ebekudike nsogbu adịrọ. I will compile the names. Most especially, I will try about as possible. Compile the name from 2021, 22, 23, 24 till date. Compile the list only for Umololo and the Amos with their real name. I don't mention anything like nickname or anything. They mention the real name, and the village has it, and they attach with phone number of any of the family members so that you verify all the information in the nege. Nsogbu adịrọ ya gazie maka mụ amana ọbụọ ndụ Biafra go ọbụna Biafra na-abịa ọbụọ ndụ Biafra anụ aka kode ọbụla chọrọ Biafra abụrụ nke Biafra ife nwanne gị oke ga-egbuo ya Biafra abụrụ nke pụta gafụ onye Igbo bekwata ugo egbuo ya ga-ewere ozu onye a taa ya ata ị na-ata anụ mmadụ. I remember when I met Bounce Abasa asị m mgbe nna yo for my father's death asị m nwa mahụ na-ata anụ mmadụ and the rest of it all. God dey he na denaka chukwu but everybody, any individual, any Igbo person now support these atrocities, whether me no London, me no UK, me no Singapore, me anywhere, now support this evil now happen in Igbo for years. Name this propaganda. All got touch each of their family member, and all got touch her in the all touch her like that person that's time makwara. Nsobadoro. Ya gazi my brother. Ototuoma.
Thank you, Biafrans. Thank you, everyone watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Jix TV, for we remain the best. Let us interact in our comment section. We all love you. Peace be unto our land. Peace be unto Igbo land. Peace be unto Biafran land. Peace be unto you all wherever you are watching us from. Subscribe with us. We all love you once again. Thank you. Bye.